A water bearer worked for a merchant who lived on top of a hill. Every day he had to walk down the hill to collect water from a stream. He would place it in two pots, which he hung on each end of a pole and carried over his shoulders. One of the pots was perfect and always delivered a full portion of water. At the end of the long walk, the other pot had a crack and would always arrive half full. The perfect pot was proud of its accomplishments. Whilst the poor cracked pot was ashamed of his own imperfection. One day the cracked pot spoke to the water bearer. I feel like I have been such a burden to you. This crack on my side has made me useless. I end up spilling half the water. And I feel so ashamed, he said. The water bearer smiled and quietly said, as we return to the merchant's house today, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path. All along his side of the path, the pot noticed a beautiful blaze of colorful flowers while the other side was still dry. As they reached the top of the hill, the water bearer said, I always known about your crack. And took advantage of it by planting seeds that you watered every day. And now, look at these beautiful flowers along the way. Without you being just the way you are, the path would never have had such beauty. The cracked pot was overjoyed. He understood that very thing he thought to be his flaw. Turned out to be a blessing for the flowers along the path.